Women Trafficking and Child Labor Eradication Foundation, Wotclef. What is Wotclef? Wotclef, an acronym for Women Trafficking and Child Labor Eradication Foundation, is a non-governmental and non-profit organization established in 1999 by Chief Mrs. Titi Atiku Abubakar, the wife of the former Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The primary objective of Wotclef is to collaborate with relevant agencies to restore human dignity by eliminating human trafficking and child labor in Nigeria. Their efforts have led to the enactment of the Trafficking in Persons Prohibition Law Enforcement and Administration Act in 2003. Here are the various activities carried out by Wotclef. 1. Public sensitization and enlightenment. Wotclef organizes seminars, workshops, musical concerts, sports events, media advocacy, and state-by-state tours to raise awareness and educate the public about the dangers of human trafficking. They also provide information on how to avoid becoming victims of human trafficking and child labor. 2. Youth development. Wotclef visits schools and youth organizations to offer essential life skills training and empowerment programs, particularly for the girl child. They focus on cultivating competence and character among young people, aiming to make them better individuals who can contribute positively to society's progress and development. 3. Enlightenment on HIV/AIDS. Wotclef recognizes the direct link between HIV/AIDS and child labor, as well as human trafficking. Therefore, they conduct HIV/AIDS campaigns targeting vulnerable members of society, such as out-of-school youths and commercial sex workers. The main objective is to enlighten these individuals about HIV/AIDS infection and provide them with information on preventive measures. 4. Public education. Wotclef utilizes various mediums such as radio, television, magazines, posters, pamphlets, and newsletters to disseminate information about human trafficking to the general public. 5. Wotclef NECO Community Development Scheme. Wotclef collaborates with the National Youth Service Corps (NECO) by engaging Youth Corps members as peer educators. These Corps members voluntarily participate in sensitizing communities where they serve about the perils of human trafficking, HIV/AIDS, and child labor. Wotclef provides comprehensive training on these issues to the Corps members, who then visit primary and secondary schools to enlighten students about the societal impact of human trafficking. 6. Assistance to victims. Wotclef extends support to victims of human trafficking by offering shelter, clothing, food, and counseling services. They assist victims in locating their family members and facilitating reunions. Additionally, Wotclef provides free training in various self-employment skills, such as hairdressing, tailoring, barbering, bead making, catering, and crafts, empowering survivors to acquire sustainable means of livelihood.